Today it finally happened. BTC China has announced that they're going to shut down their cryptocurrency trading in China effective September 30th. Now, what I want to point out about this particular news event is that there will be more headlines. There will be more exchanges that have to shut down. If we look at Crypto Watch right now, you will see that they are essentially already being priced as if they will be shut down. There's only a 2% difference here, right? This is not FUD. This is high probability here, okay? There's one of two situations that could be going on. The first situation is that there are so many strict regulations that BTC China has said that it's not worth complying with all of them and they're going to shut down. The second situation is that it's so prohibitive, or even directly prohibitive, that it is not worth or not even possible to run a cryptocurrency exchange in China anymore. I think the second scenario is more likely right now. And so what I want to emphasize here is that more exchanges will likely shut down, which is going to result in the value of Bitcoin getting hit from headlines. I'm not saying that the true value of Bitcoin is worth less than this. No, that's not what I'm saying at all. What I'm trying to say here is that headline risk is one of the most substantial risks that you can ever face. And we have a ton of it right now. And I mean an absolute metric shit ton. Forgive the language. Seriously. So what I'm trying to say here is be cautious and realize that more events are going to happen here that drive the value of Bitcoin down. It's going to get discussed on CNBC. It's going to get discussed in the Wall Street Journal. It's going to be even possibly, not likely, but possibly in your local papers or discussed on your local news channels. This is a massive event. This is a massive event. Now, of course, China has been doing this all the time, right? And we don't know exactly what's going to happen with it all. But I want to point out here that this is one of the most volatile times that we'll see in cryptocurrencies. I would personally sell into this rally and wait for it to go even cheaper. Now, that's just me, of course. And the one where I'm most interested right now, the one that really has my interest sparked, is Litecoin. Because I want you to think about this for a second. Litecoin traded for the majority of July and August at roughly $45. You can see it right here, right? Somewhere between $40 and $45. That's where Litecoin traded for the bulk of July and August. Now, I said that that was criminally undervalued because if you looked at any other major cryptocurrency, it was skyrocketing. And it's not like anything bad was happening with Litecoin. In fact, quite the opposite, right? SegWit was activated. The possibility of atomic swaps with the Bitcoin network was possible once SegWit activated on their network. We have the Lightning Network possibilities, so on and so forth, right? What's interesting about the crash in Litecoin is that we are seeing Litecoin actually go back to what it was trading at in the beginning of August. Remember that. It is currently only 10% to 15% up, depending on when you look at it. But it actually went all the way down to 49 to 50 at one point, which would be only 10% up from its level in August. But if we look at Bitcoin for a moment here, and then we see where it was before it broke out, it was trading at around $2,700, $2,800 to $2,700. It's up at this point 30% still from that level. Yet Litecoin is only up 10 to 15%. So what I would do at this point, if I were you, is I would move into Litecoin. I would move your major cryptocurrency holdings into Litecoin because it is decelerating so much faster than the other ones are. And what's important to note about this is you might be able to pick it up for real cheap, right? If you can pick up some Litecoin for, say, $40, $40 to $45, anywhere in that range, you're going to do just fine during this crash. But take advantage of the fact that there's going to be a ton of panic selling over the next few days. I'm not saying panic sell yourself. I'm saying move your holdings. Move it from Bitcoin over to Litecoin. Litecoin is the strongest buy right now in this particular market, especially because it can be exchanged directly for fiat currencies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take advantage of the crash and be smart. There's gonna be more headlines. That's not FUD, that's just probability. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, subscription, comment. I will get back to any of you that do, and I will see you in the next video.